So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX, and I'm going to take some time to showcase how to replace the battery in your key fob. So first off, grab yourself a flathead, because you're going to need that to make your life easier later. But to get inside, flip it on its side until you locate this button on its side. So if you're looking at the TRX emblem on the keys, it's right here. Push in this button while pulling out this gray bottom piece, which is where the manual key is. Grab yourself your flathead, and I'm just using a bit, but you're going to be putting the flathead in this location right here as well as right here. You're just basically going to be popping the TRX portion of the key fob off. So slide it in and kind of pop upward gently, because you know there could be some pieces under there. Just pop it in both directions. You're going to hear some plastic give, and then eventually you're going to get to a point where you're going to be able to just basically lift it off with your fingers. Here's the TRX piece, and that reveals a Panasonic CR2450 battery. So you can use your flathead to also pop this out, but let's pretend you put a new battery in, which I do not currently have to do. I'm just showing you how to do it. When you do pop your battery out and you put the new one in, try not to touch the back side of the battery with your fingertips, because the oils will limit the life of the new battery you're putting in. I always like to warn people of that. But after you put the new battery in, just kind of clamshell it all back together. Just keep in mind when you're clamshelling it, the horn alarm button is right there. So you don't want to be putting in your new battery and freak out your neighbors. Then you're basically gonna slide the key back in. You're gonna hear a click, and then you are done. You will not need to code the key to the vehicle. You were just simply swapping out battery for a new battery. Hope this showed you how to install the battery in your Ram 1500 TRX battery key fob. Thanks for watching.